You've just come back from the worst restaurant ever. Rude waiters, cockroaches scurrying around on the floor, horrible food. After you leave the restaurant, you go home, jump on your computer, you're writing the worst Yelp review ever that you can think of. But before you hit post on your Yelp review, watch this video. In today's legal brief, can you get in trouble for writing an online review? Your first thought might be, but the First Amendment. Unfortunately, the First Amendment only protects you from government intervention on what you can and cannot say. It does not protect you from private lawsuits from people or businesses. So yes, your Yelp review can get you in trouble, and that trouble comes in the form of a defamation lawsuit. Let's keep you away from that problem. A defamation lawsuit comes about when someone says something about someone else that is both false and causes them damage. Usually the emphasis is on the falsity of the statement. As more and more online reviews become more and more important to businesses and people, we are going to see more and more litigation and lawsuits surrounding this very issue. Let's stay out of trouble. When posting online, I want you to remember 3 key things. First, tell the truth, don't exaggerate. You saw cockroaches scurrying around on the floor of the restaurant. There's no need to add in rats and mice as well. Second, stay within your realm of knowledge and couch everything as an opinion. Instead of saying that the restaurant didn't have its oven hot enough, say that in your opinion, the meat was horribly undercooked. If you couch everything as your opinion, it can't be challenged factually. And finally, stay away from criminally charged language. Don't say that the restaurant committed fraud or that they robbed you. Courts frown on criminally charged language in defamation suits, so it's safer to stay away. But that doesn't mean that you have to be vanilla in your online reviews, as long as you're giving an honest opinion and belief. In my review of the case authority, I see that courts have upheld surprising language as non-defamatory. For example, calling someone a chicken butt was non-defamatory. A review of a doctor in which the person said that this doctor shouldn't even be operating on worms and frogs, much less people, was found to be non-defamatory. And finally, my favorite, a review in which a person went to a restaurant and said, I got diarrhea, but at least the food got out of my stomach, was held to be non-defamatory as well. So remember, when posting online reviews, stay truthful, couch everything as your opinion, and stay away from legal jargon. Now go post that review.